Hello, welcome to the channel. Guys, it's been a while. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my stable whipped cream. This cream is so stable, it holds even when it's not in the fridge. Let's start with the recipe. For this whipped cream, I'm going to use powdered whipping cream. This whipping cream already has stabilizers in it, so you don't need to add any stabilizer at all. That's one of the reasons I prefer it to the liquid one. This is at room temperature. You can put it in the fridge. I normally put it in the fridge, but before I used it, I brought it out. This is 2 cups of powdered whipping cream. Now, there are different brands of this powdered whipping cream. Whichever one you want to use, you can use. So I start off by putting the whipping cream into my mixing bowl. I'm going to use 1 cup of milk. You can either use milk or you can use water, or you can use part milk and part water. It really depends on you, but I love using milk to mix mine because milk makes it taste better. Depending on what you're going for, I'm using 1 cup of milk. I use 2 cups of whipping cream to 1 cup of milk. Make sure your milk is chilled. Mine is very cold. This makes the whipping process go smoothly. I'm not going to use room temperature milk for this. Make sure it's very cold. So into the mixing bowl, I pour in my milk. After putting in the milk, just because I want to flavor this a bit, I'm putting in a teaspoon of vanilla flavor. I'm going to go ahead to start whisking this. I'm using my balloon whisk for this. You can also use a hand mixer if you don't have a stand mixer. After whipping for 3 minutes, I'm going to scrape down. Make sure I scrape everything before I whip it for 1 more minute. I think 4 minutes is going to do. You're supposed to whip for between minutes to 7 minutes. But usually at the 4 to 5 minute mark, it's usually ready. So I'm scraping down to mix it one more time for about a minute or so. I'm done whipping. This is how it looks. It is so stable. Guys, you can keep this out. You can keep it at room temperature for some hours and you won't have any problem. The fact that I say it's stable doesn't mean you should expose it to heat. You still need to refrigerate it, but just in case you can't refrigerate it immediately, it is fine. You can put it in the fridge for about 15 minutes before using it on whatever you want to use it on. One thing I want to say here is that this thing, once you apply color, it gets a little more loose. So that's something you keep in mind. If you're watching this channel and you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, click on the subscribe button. There's a bell by the side. Click on it, select the all options so that whenever I post videos, you'll be one of the first to get them. I make videos on cooking and baking, videos that are very easy to follow, that will yield you fantastic results. So this is the place you want to be. Now see how our whipped cream is very stable. You can see that it's not runny at all. This is the kind of whipping cream you want to use when the place is hot. Guys, it will still hold its own. It will not be runny. It will not get all mushy. Now, I'm just going to show you some cakes that I decorated with this. This one is colored blue, and the next one you're going to see is colored purple. This whipping cream recipe is one you want to follow. If you want to buy whipping cream, I advise you to buy the powdered one because it's more stable. Guys, if you've enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.